In the early era of Islam, the Prophet Muhammad encountered profound challenges. His visit to the city of Taif became a source of deep pain for him. After the loss of his beloved wife Khadija, R.A., and his uncle Abu Talib, he sought solace there. He longed for the townspeople to accept his message of Islam. However, they rejected him harshly. They ridiculed him and hurled stones, causing his feet to bleed and ache. Heartbroken, he departed and sought refuge in a quiet orchard. In that serene environment, he raised his hands in supplication. His plea was not for revenge, but for guidance and support from Allah. Then, Angel Jibreel approached him gently. He said, "O Muhammad, Allah has heard your pain. I can command the mountains to crush the townsfolk." Yet the Prophet chose a different path. With profound wisdom and kindness, he answered, "No, I hope their children will worship Allah alone." Instead of yielding to anger, he chose to extend mercy. Rejecting revenge, he embraced forgiveness. Rather than responding with hatred, he radiated hope. This moment truly reflects the essence of Prophet Muhammad's character. He imparts profound lessons to us all. We are taught to forgive those who inflict pain. We are encouraged to counter cruelty with kindness. We learn to place our trust in Allah amidst every trial. Remember this truth. Indeed, in the Prophet of Allah is the best example for us.